Sangrayo's video has been so loved, like with Ranveer, Alabadia, and me. So I would not want to change the memory of it yet. Like, बहुत मेहनत लगी है. I would not want anybody to touch my songs and remix them and do it while I'm alive. तेरी होके मरा जिंद जान करा तेरी होके मरा जिंद जान करा हीरिए हीरिए.
Hello everyone, my name is Onam Gupta and you're watching India.com Z Media. Today we have with us a very talented singer, songwriter and composer. Well, a whole package. So let's welcome the very amazing Jasleen Royal. Hi Jasleen, how are you?
Thank you so much. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So first of all, congratulations for your latest song, Asi Sajna. You know, it's doing wonderful across various platforms. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. Obviously, like a song release is the time where you go through a lot of like pressure, mental pressure, irritation, moodiness. So people around me know that more than I. Like they experience it more, like my mood swings. But all in all, it's great. Like the response has been good so far, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the next leg, like what happens, and all fingers crossed. And but I'm very happy with the initial response right now.
So this is your first song in the pop genre. How did you find inspiration for such a different song in your career?
So I've always tried to do something different with every song. That's like I think it's more of a subconscious decision rather than being a conscious decision, because I tend to get bored of like doing similar things, and I get very annoyed when people say कि अरे एक रांझा और बना दो, अरे एक हीरी और बना दो. So I always try to like do something that excites me. Even like for even for songs like Nach Dine Sare, which is like an out and out like dance number. And then there's a Din Shagnada. दोनों शादी की गाने हैं, but दोनों बहुत अलग है. एक नाचने का और एक like it's a ballad, it's an emotional song. So like even संग रही हो और खो गए हम कहाँ, for that matter, very different. So I just tend to do something different every time I try and sit and compose, because I'm like अभी क्या करूँ, नया क्या करूँ. So I think that's how it happened. It happened very organically in my mind, but maybe for listeners it's like, oh, this is something new, like very different from what I've done. But yeah, that's the attempt.
So personally, what types or genres of music do you enjoy outside of your professional career?
Like I say, like if you see my discography, I would say I enjoy all kind of music, but like I get drawn to melody a lot. Like I really like melody in a song, even if it's a dance song, even if it's hip hop, even if it's a ballad or anything. I just need to it for me to listen to a song. It needs to have a good melody.
Okay. And, so taking way back, Jasleen, you said in an interview that you always wanted to be a cricketer, but you landed up being a singer. So how did that happen? What was the whole story? We would love to know.
So मेरा एक बड़ा भाई है, जिनके बड़े भाई बड़े बहन होते हैं उनको बैटिंग नहीं मिलती. तो मेरे को पूरा टाइम बॉलिंग कराता रहता, बॉलिंग करा. बट फिर मैं आई जस्ट गॉट रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन बॉलिंग, एंड देन मुझे ऑब्वियसली दिस इज लाइक ब्रदर सिस्टर राइवलरी. तो मुझे लगता था मैं इसको आउट कैसे करूँ, लाइक हाउ डू आई बीट हिम. So I would keep practicing like we had a small balcony in our house, and I would keep practicing. And then a cousin of mine taught me कि इसको अगर बॉल ऐसे घुमाओगे तो ऑफ स्पिन होगा, ऐसे करोगे तो लेग स्पिन होगा. So I was like, oh wow, this is so fascinating. So I would keep practicing for hours in the afternoon, and then I figured it out. Then I would like bowl, bowl to my brother, and he would, not be able to play it. तो फिर वो मेरे को किक मिलता था. तो देन आई रियली गॉट हेवीली इनटू क्रिकेट. बट देन देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन आई कुड नॉट मैनेज बोथ ऑफ इट, लाइक कि क्रिकेट है या म्यूजिक है. सो देन आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक म्यूजिक वाज माय कॉलिंग, एंड sports I'm usually interested in because I really enjoy it. Like these days I'm playing tennis. So I'm just learning to play tennis. But yeah, that's the story behind it. It's my elder brother.
So you will give all the credit to your brother?
For torturing me in the sun.
Know that you became a singer, such a...
उसका भी वो credit वही लेता actually, because I'm saying I'm the youngest. I'm the younger sibling, तो वो जो जो
Yeah.
चीज़ यूज करता था वो मुझे मिलती थी. तो उसको एक कीबोर्ड चाहिए था बचपन में, तो मॉम डैड ने उसको लाके दिया. And then he used to go learn at school, and he would come back home and I would tell him ki teach me, teach me, teach me. And then he was teaching me like one nursery rhyme, and he forgot in the middle. Like I think it was Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So then I was like, I was not at peace कि मुझे complete करना है. So
Yeah.
then I was like at it for a lot of days at a stretch. And
Wow.
then like one day I cracked it, and then I think something switched in my brain. I could play any melody that I was thinking of. So it became a game in the house. Like, just play that song, that song, that song. And इसका क्रेडिट भी वो मेरा भाई लेता है. वो बोलता है अगर मैं तेरे को अधूरी मेलोडी नहीं सिखाता तो तू आज म्यूजिशियन नहीं बनती.
So younger sibling होने का ये है. I totally understand that. So how can we not talk about one of your most popular songs, Oh Hiriye? It's such a wonderful song, yeah, and it became an overnight sensation. So were you expecting this so much love from the audience when you released the song?
सच्ची सच्ची बोल रही हूँ. तो obviously like I thought I really was attached to the song. इसलिए I thought कि I just want to go all out and put my own money on it and make it a very very grand indie song. And I don't like there was some belief in it, like internal belief in it, and that made me take the risk that I took. And so मेरे को लगता था, I was just keep praying like कि भाई top 50 में आ जाए बहुत है, मेरे top 50 में आ जाए बहुत है. I didn't think like number one song even globally like on YouTube. So that was like I was not expecting. That feels like a miracle, to be honest.
Adding to this, I wanted to know now, after becoming such a popular hit song, and did filmmakers are now approaching you to include your albums in their films?
So I have worked on a lot of films. I started as an independent musician. Then I worked on a lot of films. Like I've done Hichki, I've done Bar Bar Dekho, I've done Filori, I've done Shersha. मतलब काफी सारी फिल्में की हैं. अजय देवगन सर के साथ भी बहुत सारा काम किया है. But then recently, like from the last 2 years, I made a switch. Like I feel like I enjoy more doing independent songs, so I've been doing that. So I'm not focusing on films right now.
So, if filmmakers ask you for the rights of, suppose, Sang Rahiyo or Hiriye, what would your reaction would be?
Rights, मतलब rights तो नहीं दूंगी, but हाँ, like I can give them a one-time usage, like a sync. वो होगा, और depends who is asking, by the way.
So, any particular reason why you don't want to give the rights, back to your song?
Yeah, because I feel like like I said, I'm really enjoying doing independent songs, and हम बहुत मेहनत करके videos mount करते हैं, और independent songs को mount करना बहुत tough होता है because it's all you. Like
Yeah.
इससे क्या होता है, एक बहुत बड़ी मशीनरी होती है आपके साथ, बहुत सारे लोग जुटे होते हैं, तो सब कुछ ना कुछ करके बहुत बड़ा लेबल होता है जो आपके साथ पैसे, आपके साथ आपकी काम को प्रमोट करते हैं, मार्केटिंग करते हैं, एक्टर्स होते हैं, डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं, प्रोड्यूसर्स होते हैं. तो माउंट करना रिलेटिवली इजी होता है, बजट्स होते हैं. तो इंडिपेंडेंट सॉन्ग्स में बहुत टफ होता है. इट्स ऑल ऑन यू, एंड यू जस्ट करते करते आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो, और किसी तरह आपने हीरिए को एक लेवल तक पहुंचाया, संग्रहियों को एक लेवल तक पहुंचाया. एंड संग्रहियो's video has been so loved, like with Ranveer, Alabadia and me. So I would not want to change the memory of it yet. Like, बहुत मेहनत लगी है. So I think that's why. And and these songs are doing really well. And all the thanks to all my listeners and people that have given so much love. So I'm content. Like I don't want to be like, well, Bollywood is not the destination. Just reaching out to my fans and my listeners is the destination. And if I can do it through independent music, nothing like that.
Okay. And, if given the opportunity in future, would you ever want to be a part of Bollywood remake songs? Like, personally, do you enjoy them, or do you feel they kind of disrupt the originality of the songs, like many people believe that way?
I'm personally not a fan of people remixing other people's songs. Like, I would not want anybody to touch my songs and remix them and do it while I'm alive. Yeah, please do not dare to touch my songs.
So, would you ever want to be a part of any Bollywood remake? Like, abhi nahi.
नहीं, not a fan.
You're not a fan, right?
अभी उसको छोड़ दो, मतलब जो अच्छे गाने हैं वो अच्छे ही लगते हैं, आज भी सुनो यार, उसको क्यों छेड़ना है?
Yeah.
नए
क्यों
बनाओ,
छेड़ना?
इतनी इंस्पिरेशन है, क्रिएटिविटी है सब में, and everybody so talented, you can make new songs.
Yeah. So वो जो 90s का जो proper आजकल वो songs के जो remix बन रहे हैं, you personally do you think that they somehow they disrupt the originality, like authenticity?
Yeah, I mean like अभी ज्यादा हो गया, like I'm bored of it.
Yeah.
And lazy and it's a formula. It's not creativity. It's not
Okay.
originality. It's still creativity, but it's not originality. I just feel that
Yeah.
you can do better.
Okay. So, starting as an outsider in the Bollywood music industry, so I want to know what were your challenges?
वही है, आज भी वही चल रहे हैं. Just the stakes change. You still feel as nervous before a song launch. You still are trying to put things together. You still cold calling some people. Now some people know you, but the aim is always higher. Like आप पहले यहाँ से
Yeah.
शुरू करते हो, आपको यहाँ पहुँचना होता है, अब यहाँ पर आपको यहाँ पहुँचना है, तो स्ट्रगल वही है.
Of course, that never ends. And आपके like कभी you face that any song in your career where you felt that you need to come out of that comfort zone?
मैं तो आपको बोल रही हूँ, like I have to keep trying to put myself out of my comfort zone with every song. Like, so like I said, when I did Ranjha or Hiri or Sangrayo or Asi Sajna for that matter, Kho Gayam Kahan, they all are very different songs. So I only like I'm pushing myself too hard sometimes. That I sometimes have to tell myself like, don't be so hard on yourself.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. So many singers in the past they address the issue of income disparity in Bollywood, like disparities the way singers are paid as compared to actors. So what are your thoughts on that? You believe this?
Singers are paid as singers and actors का comparison.
Yeah.
वो तो मतलब एक्टर तो यार 60-70 दिन शूट करता है और सिंगर तो एक दिन में गाना आके जाता है, तो आई डोंट नो लाइक हाउ टू, मतलब इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट, यू कैन कंपेयर बोथ द थिंग्स एट ऑल. मतलब फिल्म में जो एक्टर का काम तो बहुत देर तक रहता है, एंड you can't compare it, to be honest. Like music and film is like very different business. So yeah, but I can't compare it because like they're very very different categories and parameters to judge the disparity are very different.
Is there any actor that you wish that you want to sing or compose song for? कभी कुछ ऐसा manifest किया है अभी तक?
Yeah, like I said, my destination is not Bollywood. It's I just want to reach my audience, and sometimes it can be through films, which is great, and sometimes it's through independent music. And I'm very happy that I got to sing for so many amazing, talented female actors like Alia, Katrina, or Sonam Kapoor and Kiara Advani. So many people have sung for. So why not? Like I would love to sing for Deepika also. मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मतलब that's like if the song is good and everything falls in place, yes, why not?
Yeah. So ऐसा कुछ अभी दिमाग में फिक्स नहीं किया आपने?
नहीं, मतलब मेरा जो मुझे मोटिवेट करता है वो, मतलब मुझे लगता है कि एक अच्छा गाना हो, और फिर बस मतलब मेरा वही रहता है, like just make a good song and then it just finds its place.
So before wrapping up, एक छोटा सा small सा game खेलेंगे. It will be a 5-question game and it should be a rapid fire type and full on fire. So Jasleen, I'll start. So my first question is, what is that song that is always on your playlist?
Always on my playlist right now is Vekam Leya by
Okay.
Amitabh Bhattacharya and Preetham and Arijit and everybody. Yeah.
Okay. So what's the most unusual place you found where you found the inspiration for any of your songs?
Unusual. Sometimes I come up with ideas when I'm taking a shower, or then I'm like, oh shit, idea aa raha hai, then I just run and pick up my phone and record. And once, like, I remember जो गाना है मुंडा थोड़ा offbeat है, तो
Yeah.
we composed it, and I was just driving around, and my lyricist and my friend Aditya Sharma was sitting next to me in my car, and हमारा पूरा गाना बन गया था, नचते ने सारे रल मिल के आज हिल डुल के ये सारे के सारे नजारे, but it always felt incomplete. तो फिर हम मैं ड्राइव कर रही थी, हम एक बार एक ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पर रुके, एंड देन आई वाज लाइक कसमानो खाने, it just came to me as the traffic signal. So like it's very unusual, like when ideas come to you.
Yeah, that's true. And so if you could have dinner from any, if you could have dinner with any three people from the industry, who would they be and why?
I think Priyanka Chopra,
Okay.
because she is very, very, very inspiring. She's done it all on her own. She's come from a very, very small city, and now she's a global icon. And she's done it with a lot of dignity and class, and so talented. She's just like worked on her art so much. So her and A.R. Rahman, because I would just want to keep talking about like all his songs, the trivia, like the stories, what happened, how did this part come, then what happened here, like how did you join this, or what was the inspiration behind, or what was the starting idea of any like this particular song. So all of it, like I just want to know it all. Or maybe if he doesn't talk much, I think I'll just keep observing how he's working. So he doesn't have to talk to me also. And third would be, I think, MS Dhoni, क्योंकि
Okay.
sometimes I feel like I'm a little reactive as a person. Like I want to learn like how is he so cool and calm and still gets everything done. Sometimes I can be like like little dysfunctional and like little
So
hyper.
so one from acting, one from singing, one from cricket, all three different.
Yeah.
That's great. I would like to be a small, I don't know, bug on the wall to see what will be the interesting conversations there will be. And okay, so tough choice, but Suriti Chauhan and or Shreya Ghoshal, your favorite singer.
Oh, I think Shreya Ghoshal's simplicity and Suniti Chauhan's persona on stage, like I think it's crazy. A little
Okay,
bit of both.
yeah. Ranjana or Oh Hire, your favorite album.
देखो इस पे I'll put a very cliche line, हीर और रांझा साथ ही रहे हैं हमेशा, तो रांझा के बिना ना हीर है, ना हीर के बिना रांझा, तो
Uh,
दोनों.
that's I didn't expect this, but oh my god. Okay. So before wrapping up, how can we not tell you to sing Oh Hire song and Sangrayo? These are my favorite songs and it's having the top of the playlist. So please, just two lines.
Sure. तेरी होके मरा जिंद जान करा, तेरी होके मरा जिंद जान करा, हीरिए आ, हीरिए आ. That was Hiriye,
Yeah.
and I'll sing a few lines from Sangrayo for you. आगे रहियो ना पीछे रहियो, मेरा रहियो यार बस मेरा रहियो, आगे रहियो ना पीछे रहियो, मेरा रहियो यार बस मेरा रहियो, संग रहियो संग रहियो, समझे ना दुनिया तू तो मुझको समझियो, दिल ना समझ है दिल को कुछ भी ना कहियो. Thank you.
So thank you. Oh my god, I mean, I just lost in the tunes. So it was so beautiful. Thank you, Jasleen, for joining with us. It was wonderful talking to you. I wish you all the best for your upcoming songs, and I just want to listen more and more of yours. So just waiting for another one now.
Abhi
Oh,
let's
yeah.
focus on Aziz Sachna, which is out. Do
Yeah,
listen to it and let me know what you think.
of course, we will.
Alright.
And yeah, thank you. All the
Alright.
best.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.